Students, we have already started our lesson, fourth lesson, that is long and short. In this lesson, the main topic is how to measure things using a scale. So this video is for how to measure an object using a scale. So today's topic is measuring length using a scale. So now we are going to use a scale to measure things. First we will measure our pencil. For that you have to use a new scale. ओल्ड स्केल आप यूज़ करेंगे तो आपका मार्किंग ठीक नहीं मिलेगा. सो यू हैव टू यूज़ ए प्रॉपर न्यू स्केल. So this is our scale. Okay, now you can see the marking from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 like that. So in the previous class I have already told you that when you keep an object, you have to keep the object on the 0 marking, not at the end of the scale. Every time you have to make it sure that the one side of the object is on 0 marking. So now we will keep our pencil on 0 marking. Okay, this way you have to keep. Now you have to see the other end of the pencil. So if you want, you can mark the points like this. So 0 marking I have marked, and the other end is on 8 number. That means the length of this pencil is 8 centimeter. So the length between that's other end and the nail end है ना, 9 के साइड तक डिस्टेंस आपको दिखाई देता है 0 से 8 तक. 0 के 8 तक आप काउंट करेंगे. उस दिन भी मैंने आपको समझाया था कितना बॉक्सेस है वो आपको काउंट कर सकता है. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. But here marking is also there, so no need to count the boxes. From 0 to 8, that is 8 centimeter. So length of this pencil is 8 centimeter. Okay. So very accurate number मिलेगा आपको अगर आपने correct way में रखा तो. Now we will find out length of one nail. Okay. Same way, first you have to use keep your scale on the desk. Now keep your nail on 0 marking. One side of the nail you have to keep on 0 marking. Now you have to see the other end of the nail. If you see, you can mark. You can read it as 7. From 0 to 7. So the length of this nail is 7 centimeter. So accurate length of this nail is 7 centimeter. Now we will see one more thing. Now we have a leaf. You have to find out the length of this leaf. So first keep your scale, then keep the leaf on it. The one side is at that 0 marking. Now other end of the leaf you have to find out. You can mark it like this. Okay, both the side you can mark it. Now it is very clear that one side is on 0, second side is between 6 and 7, and it is not on proper 6. After 6 some number is there. So now when you measure the length of this leaf accurately, you have to measure the small marking also. If you count, you can say that is on that small marking. If you count, that is 4. So that is, we can say that the length of this leaf is 6 centimeter and 4 millimeter. In the scale, the small marking between 2 centimeters है ना, 6 and 7 या 8 and 9, इसके बीच में जो भी 10 small markings है, they are called millimeter. So it is clear that the length of this leaf is 6 centimeter, and after that there are small 4 markings, that is millimeter. So length of this leaf is 6 centimeter and 4 millimeter. Okay, now we learned how to measure things, how to measure the length of any object using a scale. So whenever we have to use that 0 point only. You have to keep the object on the 0 marking, and the other marking properly you have to see. So if it is in between any two number, that time you have to count the small marking also. That will be millimeter. So now you can find out the length of your pencil, eraser, pencil box, textbook, classwork, everything. Okay children, now I think you all understood how to measure an object using a scale. Thank you once again. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you so much.